Mhm.
So, ano na lang natin. So, ayan na si Formlabs, meron na siyang new technology. So, nag-add na siya ng SLS na printer. Then, andun pa rin yung flagship namin na
SLA.
SLA. Oo. So, difference niya kay mga sabi nating MSLA na printer like Reality. So, it uses laser. Ganun pa rin, same thing, inverted printer. Pero ang naging advantage ngayon ni Formlabs yung tinatawag naming low force technology. So, yan. So, kung mapapansin, halos naging same na siya doon kay mga MSLA. Flexible na, di ba? Si Halot, naka-flexible film.
Mhm.
So, ayan, kay Formlabs, gano'n na rin siya, flexible film. Pero, kapag nag-multiple printers, print ka kay FEP film ng mga Creality, nagde-degrade. Pero pagdating kay Formlabs, yung latest innovation niya, hindi namin kino-consider yung parang lifetime ng resin tank. So, hindi siya ganun kabilis ma-degrade. Unlike yung KB form na kay Form 2 na parang after several prints, palit kagad. So, yun yung parang naging advantage ngayon ni Formlabs SLA. Ito yung isa sa pinaka naging advantage din niya. Yung pagtanggal ng support sa SLA, medyo messy, medyo mahirap. So, nagko-cause din siya ng failure. Kasi nga before, yung mga strength or yung mga pulling force during printing sobrang laki. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng print failure, nalalaglag siya dun sa resin tank. Pero kay Form 3, so na-lessen yung forces dahil dun sa flexible build plate and mas smooth na rin pag tinatanggal natin yung supports. So, mas maganda na siya. Mas less yung post-processing. So, yun. So, advantage ng SLA ni Formlabs. So, wide range na yung resin. So, yan, general purpose, engineering, dental, then medical. Pero nagpo-focus na ngayon si Formlabs sa pag-innovate ng mga resin niya. So, yan. So, syempre, sanay tayo kay thermoplastic, yung ABS, PP. Pero kasi kay pagdating kay Formlabs, yung naming niya is based dun sa strength ng resin. Like high temp for high temperature, rigid for high impact. Yan, yung mga tough for ABS-like. So, same thing, workflow. So, print, post-processing natin, nadagdag lang is wash and curing, then tanggal ng supports and okay na yung print. So, sabi ko nga, kay SLA Formlabs, so may mga flagship printer namin, SLA is Form 3 Plus. Almost same lang siya ni Form 2 in terms of build plate, build volume. So, nagbago lang yung laser niya. So, it's moving na hindi na siya katulad before na naka-fix lang sa one side. Then, yung common problem with SLA printing is yung laging maliit lang yung kayang i-print. So, si Formlabs nagkaroon ng large format siya. Si Form 3L. So, mas malaki. It's almost 4 times ng build volume ni Form 3 Plus. Then, yung automatic, automatic post-processing, wash and curing. Then, yung new addition ni Formlabs is yung SLS. So, same thing, high-powered laser, then powder yung materials natin. Ang common issue lang kay SLS is naka-nylon base yung mga powders niya. So with Formlabs, we have nylon CF and nylon GF. So may carbon fiber and glass field depending on the application. Pero recently, nag-add na si Formlabs ng TPU. So meron na siyang flexible ng mga hand grips or mga soles ng sapatos. So yan, so yun lang. So yung workflow niya, imbis na wash and cure, kailangan na natin siyang isift and tanggalin yung mga powder. Kay SLS, so yung printer namin doon, si Fuse 1 Plus. So yan yung SLS printing. Then in addition that, kailangan laging may fuse sieve. yung printer pag once we get yung Fuse 1. So ito kasi yung parang post-processing unit niya. Siya yung magtatanggal nung mga powder and siya na rin yung magre-recycle nung mga hindi na cure or na laser na powder. So comparison, so in texture, syempre si SLA mas smooth. Kay SLS, grainy texture para siyang 1000 grit na sandpaper. So yan, so benefits. So kay SLA, it's more on smooth siya. Mas madami yung materials to choose. So almost injection molded yung printout. While kay SLS, ito yung mga parts na good for mga parts na yung geometry niya medyo weird. Yung may mga undercut, mga complex design. So may printout siya is nylon based, so maganda yung mechanical properties niya. Then good for end-use parts lagi yung printout ni SLS. So skip ko lang to. It's more on. So yan, si SLA, so kung ano lang kayang i-print sa print volume, so non-stackable yung printouts. Unless i-design mo siya sa software mo na maging stackable. Pagdating kay SLS, high throughput siya. As long as kasya dun sa buong build volume, pwede mo siyang pagkasyahin. Kahit no space needed kasi nga no need for support structure pagdating kay SLS. So kay SLA, so yung Form 3 Plus and Form 3L, so okay lang siya sa office or workshop or minsan yung iba pa nga katabi sa kwarto during printing. Pero pagdating kay SLS, kailangan workshop siya. So kailangan may clean ventilation siya kasi we're printing using powder. So latest innovation kay Formlabs is yung common issue sa 3D printing is yung more on yung scalability. So kung paano siya magiging mass production. So Formlabs created si Form Auto.
First, we brought you a 3D printer that enabled you to make anything. Now, we're pushing the boundaries of what you can do with our 3D printers by bringing you the tools you need to make anything at scale. Introducing Formlabs Automation Ecosystem. Hardware, software, and material streamlining tools that transform your 3D printers into autonomous fleets for 24/7 printing made easy. Together, Form Auto, Fleet Control, and our high-volume resin system maximize throughput while minimizing labor and costs, so you can scale with demand more seamlessly than ever before. Instantly automate production with Form Auto, an extension of your 3D printer that enables non-stop throughput without interaction, reducing cost per part with labor savings of up to 80%. Enabled by our patented quick-release technology, Form Auto seamlessly removes parts from Build Platform 2 and starts the next print, so production doesn't have to stop when you leave work. Scale and align your business with Fleet Control. Advanced new features within Formlabs dashboard management software that equip your team with the agility to use shared printer groups from anywhere. Leverage a centralized queue that automatically sends your prints to the right printers at the right time, boosting productivity across your entire organization. Cut down on labor and waste with our high-volume resin system. At 5 times the capacity of a standard cartridge, you can print with 80% fewer interactions, 96% less packaging, and a lot more productivity. Whether you're choosing to scale production or manage operations across your team, the Formlabs automation ecosystem empowers you with a workflow as limitless as what you can make with it. Formlabs, so anyone can make anything at scale.